Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to enable dark mode and reading mode on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. So first go into the settings, then display and brightness. Right here you can enable the dark mode and switch to light mode back again. And when you scroll down, you have the reading mode. You will see that the reading mode adjusts colors and textures of the items on your screen, allowing your eyes to relax. So right here you can enable it. Select the cycle, achieve optimal comfort by adjusting colors automatically based on apps type and sunrise-sunset times, or the classic, switch to warmer colors to reduce the amount of blue light. Also you can schedule the reading mode. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.